Hello students, welcome to Trivedi Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today I am going to revise chapter number 2, 1 mark question, inverse trigonometric function. Okay. Question number 1, that is write the range of one branch of cos inverse x. Write the range of one branch of cos inverse x other than principal branch. Can you tell me the principal branch of cos inverse x? Very well, you know. That is 0 to pi. This is the main principal value branch. Now, can you find the range of one other branch than this? The answer of this question, that is pi to 2 pi. You can write pi to 2 pi, 2 pi to 3 pi, you can write. And in this side you can write minus pi to 0, you can write minus pi to 0. So you can write the one other branch of the principal value branch. Second question. Second, that is cos tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Find the value of this. Find the value of this result. Can you tell me? Find the value of this result. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x formula. Very important formula. Pi by 2. In this place you can write pi by 2. And cos 90. Value of cos 90. Value of cos 90, you know, we will 0. Clear? This is a very important result on the basis of this. Next question. Third. That is cos inverse x plus 4 sin inverse x is equal to pi. Then find the value of x. Cos inverse x plus 4 sin inverse x is equal to pi. Then find the value of x. Very well result about cos inverse x plus sin inverse x, that is pi by 2. With the help of that result you can write here pi by 2 minus sin inverse x plus 4 sin inverse x is equal to pi. Therefore you can see 4 sin inverse x minus 1 sin inverse x, that is 3 sin inverse x is equal to pi minus pi by 2, that is pi by 2. Therefore sin inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Clear? X is equal to sin pi by 6. Therefore sin 30, you know very well, sin 30, that is 1 by 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. This is the answer. Question number 4. Question number 4. Find the principal value. Find the principal value of tan inverse. Find the principal value of tan inverse 5 pi by 6. Find the principal value of tan inverse of this. Okay? Find the principal value. You know that this you can write same meaning, tan inverse of tan 5 pi by 6, that is equal to 5 pi by 6. But you know that 5 pi by 6 not belongs to the range of tan inverse x. Pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is the range of tan inverse x. This quantity not belongs to the range of tan inverse x. Therefore, we have to simplify this question. Therefore, you can write tan inverse. In place of pi by 6, you can write pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 Okay, tan pi minus theta formula, tan pi minus theta. It means angle is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. It is the case of 180. Therefore, theta should not change. Therefore, minus you can write tan pi by 6. And when you simplify this question, you can write tan of minus pi by 6. It means you can write minus pi by 6. So therefore you can say minus pi by 6 is the principal value branch of this question. Clear? Similarly, second question, fifth question. Simplify that is tan of cos inverse 8 by 17. Tan of cos inverse 8 by 17. Let cos inverse 8 by 17 is equal to theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 8 by 17. We can write theta here. Cos you know very well, base upon hypotenuse. That is 8, 17. Now, can you apply Pythagoras theorem? With the help of Pythagoras theorem, can you find AB? 17 square minus 8 square, that is 15. That is 15. Now, can you convert into tan? You know that cos this by this, sin this by this, but tan you know perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. 15 by 8 you can write. So this is the result. Tan inverse x, that is equal to x. 15 by 8. Answer. Clear? You can simplify every question using the triangle. Next, one more question, very important question. Simplify. Question number 6. Simplify, that is tan inverse sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Tan inverse sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Clear? You know very well. Tan inverse formula sin x, that is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2, 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. When you simplify, sin by cos, that is tan x by 2. Sin by cos, that is tan x by 2. And this is the result, you know, tan inverse tan theta, that is theta, that is x by 2. Is answer. Clear? This is the solution of this question. Clear? These are very important question. Next, find the value of, seventh question, find the value of cot sin inverse x. Cot sin inverse x. Clear? Find the value. Let sin inverse x is equal to, sin inverse x is equal to theta. Therefore, x is equal to sin theta. Sine perpendicular upon hypotenuse. With the help of this, can you find BC using Pythagoras theorem? BC is 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. You know that this is equal to theta. Cot theta. Cot theta. Cot theta, it means cot, cot base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. It means you can say root 1 minus x square upon base upon perpendicular x. This is the answer. Clear, students? These are very important questions of chapter 2 to revise all this question. Okay, thank you.